What are blocks? As a teacher, you can add blocks to the side of your main learning area. In this course, using a variation of the Boost theme, the blocks are on the right. In this course, with a different theme, there are blocks on both sides. And note that this course does not have the nav drawer. Instead, there's a navigation block and an administration block. If your organisation's Moodle site has a navigation and administration block instead of the nav drawer, ask your admin to help you find tutorials suitable for your Moodle site from our Moodle HQ YouTube channel. Blocks are elements which add extra information or learning content to your course. Think carefully before adding blocks, because the mobile app doesn't display them, so only choose blocks you feel will be essential to your students' learning, as they take up space on the screen. On a small screen, blocks will move down underneath the course sections, as here. Other themes will allow you to dock or move blocks to the side, such as here. And it's important to remember this, as learners sometimes forget they have docked blocks and they become confused. In our teacher Sam's new course, there are no blocks at the moment, but she can add blocks by turning on the editing from the gear menu and then clicking the Add Block link in the nav drawer. Here, she can choose useful blocks to add to her course. Once added, blocks may be hidden or deleted from the gear menu. They may also be moved around with the crosshairs icon by dragging and dropping, or by clicking and holding the crosshairs icon and selecting a location to move them to. Here, Sam is moving the latest badges block underneath the online users block.